Welcome to Facts with II. Today we journey into the heart of a tempestuous phenomenon, the sandstorm. These swirling behemoths of dust and wind carve their way across our planet, leaving an indelible mark on the landscape and the very air we breathe. From the Sahara Desert to the Arabian Peninsula, sandstorms are a testament to nature's raw power, capable of transforming the familiar into the alien in the blink of an eye. But beyond their fearsome reputation lies a world of intrigue and wonder. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of sandstorms and uncover 10 astonishing facts that will leave you breathless. Get ready to be amazed. Our planet has borne witness to countless sandstorms, but few can rival the sheer scale of the behemoth that engulfed China in 2001. This was not just any ordinary sandstorm, it was a force of nature that left an indelible mark on history. Imagine a swirling vortex of sand and dust so immense that it stretched over 1.24 million square miles, an area larger than the Mediterranean Sea. The sheer size of this storm was almost unimaginable. This colossal sandstorm, visible from space, swept across China, blanketing cities and villages in a thick shroud of dust. The storm's reach was so extensive that it could be seen from satellites orbiting the Earth. Beijing was plunged into darkness as the sun disappeared behind a wall of swirling sediment. The city, usually bustling with activity, was eerily quiet under the oppressive blanket of dust. The air quality plummeted, posing a significant threat to human health, and visibility was reduced to mere feet. People had to wear masks to protect themselves from the choking dust. Transportation ground to a halt, bringing life to a standstill. Roads were deserted and public transport was severely disrupted. The economic impact was staggering, with agricultural losses alone estimated in the hundreds of millions of dollars. The storm devastated crops, leading to a significant financial burden on the affected regions. The birth of a sandstorm is a delicate dance between the elements, a mesmerizing interplay of wind, heat, and dust. It is a symphony of atmospheric conditions that culminate in a spectacular display of nature's raw power. A force that can reshape landscapes. It begins with an unstable atmosphere where warm, dry air rests above a cooler, denser layer, creating a perfect recipe for turbulence. As the sun heats the ground, the air above it warms and rises, creating an area of low pressure, a vacuum that demands to be filled. Cooler air rushes in to fill the void, setting the stage for a meteorological ballet, a dance of air masses that fuels the storm. As the warm air ascends, it cools and condenses, forming towering cumulonimbus clouds, the harbingers of the impending storm. Strong winds, often exceeding 25 miles per hour, whip across the barren landscape, injecting vast quantities of sand and dust into the atmosphere, creating a blinding wall of particles. The result is a swirling vortex of particulate matter, transforming day into an eerie twilight, a surreal scene where the boundaries between earth and sky blur. Sandstorms are potent agents of change, shaping and reshaping the landscapes they traverse. Their impact on the environment is profound, leaving an indelible mark on ecosystems. Sandstorms act as nature's sandblasters, carving away at rock formations and transporting vast quantities of sand and dust across continents. They can devastate agriculture, stripping away fertile topsoil and burying crops beneath a thick blanket of dust. Wildlife is forced to seek shelter, their food sources buried, and habitats disrupted. Sandstorms can exacerbate desertification, transforming fertile land into barren wasteland. The loss of vegetation leaves the soil vulnerable to wind erosion, creating a cycle of degradation. It is a reminder that we must protect the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Throughout history, sandstorms have played a silent but significant role in shaping the destiny of nations. These natural phenomena, often underestimated, have influenced battles, halted invasions, and changed the fate of empires. In 525 AD, the Persian Empire under Cambyses II marched to conquer Egypt. Their ambition was grand, their forces mighty. A monstrous sandstorm descended upon them, blinding men and beasts alike. The ferocity of the storm was unmatched, turning day into night. The Persian army was decimated, and the conquest of Egypt was halted. Equipment was scattered, and the once formidable force lay in ruins. In 1941, during World War II, a sandstorm in the western desert of Egypt played a pivotal role. The harsh desert environment became an unpredictable battlefield. The Afrika Korps, led by General Erwin Rommel, was pinned down by British forces at the siege of Tobruk. The situation was tense, with both sides on edge. A massive sandstorm brought the fighting to a standstill, favoring neither side. The storm's intensity forced soldiers to take cover, halting the battle abruptly. These events remind us that even the grandest ambitions can be swept aside by nature. The power of sandstorms is a testament to nature's dominance over human endeavors. Sandstorms have altered the course of history in unexpected ways. Their impact, though often overlooked, is profound and far-reaching. Sandstorms, often seen as destructive, play a vital role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. They traverse continents, carrying seeds and nutrients essential for plant growth. A sandstorm sweeping across the Sahara lifts millions of tons of dust into the atmosphere. This dust, laden with minerals, fertilizes rainforests in the Amazon and replenishes soils in the Caribbean. Iron-rich dust acts as a natural fertilizer, promoting plant growth and enhancing carbon dioxide absorption. The abrasive action of wind-blown sand helps disperse seeds, maintaining genetic diversity. These seemingly destructive events are crucial for ecosystem health. Humanity has made significant strides in predicting and monitoring sandstorms, harnessing technology to outsmart the tempest. Satellites provide a bird's-eye view, detecting the signs of developing sandstorms. They monitor wind patterns, atmospheric pressure, and temperature variations, feeding data to computer models. These models predict the path, intensity, and duration of sandstorms. Meteorologists issue timely warnings, giving communities time to prepare. Ground-based weather stations provide real-time data on wind speed, visibility, and air quality. Researchers explore ways to mitigate sandstorm effects, such as creating artificial barriers. Each technological advancement deepens our understanding and empowers us to protect communities. Sandstorms pose a significant threat to human health, with microscopic particles infiltrating our bodies with each breath. These tiny particles penetrate deep into our respiratory system, triggering inflammatory responses. For those with respiratory conditions, sandstorms can exacerbate symptoms and lead to serious complications. Even healthy individuals can experience respiratory issues, from coughing to shortness of breath. Dust particles can irritate the eyes, causing redness and itching. Skin irritation and allergic reactions are common during and after a sandstorm. Prolonged exposure to high dust concentrations can lead to serious health problems such as silicosis and cardiovascular issues. Wearing a mask, preferably an N95 respirator, can reduce dust inhalation. Staying indoors with windows and doors closed is advisable during a sandstorm. Sandstorms are not unique to our planet. Similar phenomena unfold on distant planets and moons. Mars, with its thin atmosphere, experiences dust storms of epic proportions. Imagine a dust storm so immense that it engulfs the entire planet, shrouding it in a reddish haze for months. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, also experiences colossal dust storms. Unlike Earth and Mars, Titan's dust is composed of organic molecules. These alien dust storms offer clues about planetary atmospheres and the potential for life beyond Earth. They remind us that we are part of a vast cosmos, governed by the same fundamental laws of physics. Studying these extraterrestrial dust storms provides insights into our planet's climate dynamics. A sandstorm can be a frightening experience, but by following these tips, you can stay safe. If caught while driving, pull over, turn off your headlights, and wait. If outdoors, seek shelter in a sturdy building or vehicle. If no shelter is available, find a low-lying area and cover your head and face. Stay put until the storm has completely passed. Stay hydrated, as the dry air can dehydrate you quickly. Keep a supply of water on hand and drink plenty of fluids. Preparation is key. Check the weather forecast regularly. Stay informed about potential hazards in sandstorm-prone areas. Sandstorms have inspired myths and legends across cultures for millennia. In ancient Egypt, they were associated with the god Seth, the deity of chaos and storms. In ancient Greece, sandstorms were linked to Typhon, a monstrous giant. In the Arabian Peninsula, jinn were often blamed for sandstorms. These myths reflect our ancestors' respect for nature's power and their attempts to understand it. They offer a glimpse into our ancestors' fears, beliefs, and relationship with the natural world. Even in the face of the unknown, the human imagination has always sought to find meaning. These stories connect us to the world around us and remind us of nature's power. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the heart of sandstorms. From their awe-inspiring power to their surprising ecological roles, we've uncovered many facets of these meteorological marvels. If you found these facts fascinating, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Facts with AI, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our planet and beyond.